Hello all. In this video, I am going to demonstrate you how to convert PDF to Excel. Okay, and especially the table which is there in the PDF, how to take it correctly to the Excel. Okay, so if you can see, I have this PDF file over here, and this file contains this table. If you directly try to copy paste this table, it looks very weird. Okay, so say if I have this Excel sheet open over here, and if you try to copy paste say, this table from here, this Excel, it is not correctly getting copied, right? You can see that there are some extra cells being copied, right? And you want this entire stuff to be in one cell, so kind of some formatting issues. Okay, so it's not a very clean conversion. Okay, so for this, what we need to do, we have to open this Excel sheet. Sorry, we have to open this PDF file into Word document first. Okay, so let me open this PDF in Word document. And for this, I will go over here. I'll click on open. I'll select this PDF. Open this PDF. It will take some time to open and convert and open this PDF. Okay, out of this, I would just remove this unwanted thing. I don't want this unwanted. I'll just keep the table here. So I'll delete this stuff. Okay, I'll just keep this table here. And I'll click on this table, do some cleanup work over here first. So I don't want this border to come over here. So I want to, remove this border. I just play along with this, and then I'll implement no border. I selected no border. I'm removing this border. I don't want this border to be there. I will scroll down. This is the additional header which is there. I'll remove this header as well. I don't want this header to be there. I will delete this entire row. Okay, then there is one extra character as an after every line over here, right? If I just copy this as this, say, maybe I'll just show this to you. If I copy this and paste it into Excel, let me take some free sheet. You can see that it is again the same issue what we saw earlier, that it is creating multiple rows over here, right? Instead of putting this content into a single cell, it is unnecessarily creating it multiple rows over here. Okay, so how to eliminate this thing? Okay, so again go back to Word, and there is an extra character over here. We have to just remove that extra character. So click on edit, find and replace. Okay, so we want find and replace. Search for this character, cap. Okay, and just simply replace it all. Okay, if you can see that there are some characters over here, right? I'm highlighting it over here. So these characters we don't want. If these characters are there, it is going to it's a kind of a return key, and it is going to create a separate row in Excel. I don't want these characters to be there, so I will just replace them all with null. Okay, let me replace everything. Okay, around 93 replacement has done. And after that, if I click this, if I copy paste this now, I take this entire table, I copy this. Maybe fresh sheet, and then paste it here. Right now you can see it's a clean translation, correct? Absolutely, in the perfect format, right? It has not created these multiple cells over here, and whatever content was there in the desired format, you will get that content in this Excel. So, okay, let me just summarize the steps what we did. So only 3 steps we followed. Step number 1, we open that PDF into this Word document, right? And we removed unwanted stuff out of this. Then we removed whatever this extra borders and whatever were there, we removed that, right? We selected this no border over here. We selected this entire table and remove this border by using no border. After that, then, we did find and replace this character cap P, and we removed it and we replaced that with null. And after that, then we copy and pasted this stuff into the Excel. Okay, that's it, I guess, guys. Thanks for watching my video.